National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Idaho until 17:43 Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:35 Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near California and heading east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards: tennis ball-sized hail, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Prepare immediately for large hail and cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter.